If you want to insert your SIM card or SIM cards into Redmi A7 Pro, then first we need to take a look at the left side of the phone, because over here we can find the SIM tray. There is also this SIM tray hole, so make sure to get to the SIM eject tool. You can find yours inside the box. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it into this little hole over here. So make sure to put it in, straight in. And then once it is in, you want to push it into the phone to make the SIM tray slightly pop out. Once it pops out, you want to remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go. And now we can insert our SIM card or SIM cards. We actually have two SIM card slots over here. The middle one is the SIM card slot number 1. Here we have SIM card slot number 2. They are also numbered over here. So now we just need to simply match the shape of the slot. It goes in all the way easily. It should not stick out. However, keep in mind that these SIM card slots are very loose, and as you can see, it's very easy to drop these SIM cards. So make sure to not do so, to drop them. And once you insert your SIM cards, you just have to put it into the phone back again, the whole SIM tray. So let's just slide in. There we go. And push it all the way in. And of course, it should go all the way in. It should not stick out at all. If it is sticking out and you cannot put it back fully, you cannot fully insert it, you might want to remove the SIM tray and make sure that all your SIM cards are properly inserted. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.